Where are we going, Nathan?
Yes.
Where are we going? Dinosaur Island. We're going to Dinosaur Island. I will take the kids there. Say hi.
Hi.
How about you, Justin? Say hi. Hi. We're here now in the Dinosaur Island for sale. Here's the feed.
Mama.
Yes, Nathan. Morning. Ano yan? Okay. Museum.
Here.
Oh.
Very good.
Good morning mga bayo. Meron din po magiging guide sa loob. Si tour guide Kuya Jay.
Okay. Thank you. Let's go, baby. Yeah, it's a big dinosaur.
What dinosaur is that? What dinosaur is this? And first dinosaur po natin siya po sa Apatosaurus. Mas kilala po ng mga bata na si Brontosaurus. Siya po yung gumanap na Arlo sa The Good Dinosaur movie. You know Arlo, kuya?
You know Arlo?
In The Good Dinosaur movie?
Oh, there's another one.
What dinosaur is this, kuya?
You know
Look at
that?
the crest. He's that in Land Before Time movie.
Ano?
It's a Parasaurolophus. The crested lizard. Everybody din po siya a flat-eater dinosaur.
Justin! Justin! Nathan, look!
Nathan, Justin, look here. Pala kay Justin, ano siya eh? Stegosaurus. Stegosaurus is one of the dumbest dinosaur. Or one of the bobo. Kaya pa siya kinonsider one of the bobo. Because of their braces po. Kasi laki lang po kasi ng mani ang utak nila.
More dinosaur. Look, oh. See that?
Our next one po is a Brachiosaurus.
So tall.
Baby size pala po po.
Baby size pa lang yan.
Yung adult size po na ito, ma'am, same size in a 4-story or 12 meters high. It's herbivores po or a plant-eater dinosaur. Brain size, same size in a burger bun. Siya naman po si Littlefoot in Land Before Time movie.
What's that?
Magandang background dito. A baby T-Rex, the king of all the dinosaurs.
It's a baby dinosaur.
Baby T-Rex. Justin, look.
He's hiding.
Shy.
He's hiding, Justin, oh.
Exciting na. It's so hot daw kasi. That's why. Bali, ito po yung dyan na po yung actual size niya. Hindi rin po siya gumagalaw. Kasi nga po, especially, marami umiyak dito mga bata. Especially mga pandemic babies po. Through loud sounds and movement.
Okay.
Sa 21 dinosaur naman, tatlo po din nila pinagalabat. Maliliit lang po yung mga din nila pinagalabat. Sit down there, Mom is gonna take your pictures, okay? Mom will take your picture, okay?
Sit down, baby. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down to Kuya, baby.
Hold the egg.
Iwan ka mo man. Sama ka na lang. Dali. Sama ka.
Alright.
Nathan, look at me.
Do like this, Nathan. Nathan.
Nathan.
Do like this.
Dali.
Your arms.
Dali.
Do like this. Dr. Lento, all of them, they are related to each other. At the same time, kung dito sila dinosaur, ibon na po sila or a flying.
Oo. You want to feed the
You want to go
dino?
up? You want to touch his head?
Are you afraid? Are you afraid?
You want to go up? The skin?
Up. Dali, up.
Mama will pay.
Oh, there's a baby dino. That's the baby dino. Come on. I'll take a picture. Against the light. Nathan, look at me.
In real life po din naman po siya nakita or nagkasama dahil magkakaibang irap po sila. Para po mas nauna po itong mabuhay kaysa Ichthyorhynchus. Ito po nabuhay po ito during the Middle Cretaceous and si T-Rex naman in late Cretaceous. So siya na po ang huling dinosaur na nabuhay.
Careful. Dino Escape. We're now here in Dino Escape. I'm glad that the kids will have fun. Yeah.
Water.
It's a water, yes. Dinosaur Escape. Yes, it's a dinosaur.
Ancestor of all the crocodiles.
Oh.
Meron din po siyang 96 sharp teeth. Although siya po pinakamaraming ngipin sa mga dinosaurs. Carnivores and appreciated dinosaurs. Kaya po siya sa cage, one of the wildest dinosaurs.
It's a wildest dinosaur. You wanna touch it? Touch it. Dali, touch. Touch it, touch. Touch. Come on, touch it. Touch it, Nathan.
Mama.
Hold it.
Mama.
Touch it. Come on. Yes, hold it.
Like this, like
Touch it, dali.
it's on the rubber rope. Hold it na.
Oh.
One more. Hold it, one more.
Oh.
It's a rubber. Squishy.
You wanna touch it, Dustin?
How about
You want to
Justin?
touch? Hawakan mo si Justin. Hawak mo. Touch it. Touch, baby. Oh.
One more, like this.
One more.
See? Oh.
Diba?
You're so brave, Justin. Come on na.
Let's go.
Triceratops means the three-horned prey. Herbivores po siya or a plant eater dinosaur.
Triceratops, Nathan, ah.
You want to take a picture, Nathan? You want to take a picture?
Oh. Yes.
Open the
Yes. Another dino. Oh. My baby, oh. My baby, oh. No.
Justin, another raptor. Charlie and Delta, the brother of Blue, yung nasa top of the band. Fastest and carnivores po sila. Yung malaki po si Iguanodon, related pa rin po kay Maiasaurus, so good mother dinosaur din po siya. At the same time, a plant eater or herbivores po siya.
It's a plant eater. Are you happy?
Are you higher?
Higher. Nasa higher daw siya.
Kasi nga pag lumulusog sila, para sila wolves. Next one po, Dimetrodon, the oldest dinosaurs. Carnivores or meat-eater dinosaur. Ancestor naman po siya ng mga
meat-eater.
iguana, especially the marine iguanas.
Hashtag Dinosaur Island Clark. Oh, there's another one.
Ayan po, next naman po natin. Irritation or irritation. Always irritated and the hot-headed.
That's why it's irritator. It's called irritator.
It's always irritating.
Irritating. We will grab a snack first before we go to the show. Dino World of Fun. Thank you. Pika pika. Nathan?
No more.
No more dinosaur?
Oh, the room dinosaur meeting ko no. Publish in this dinosaur.
Let's go. No more dinosaur.
No more dinosaur.
Yeah.
Enjoy the show.
Yes. Thank you.
No.